Tonight I'm doing a pearl painting. You may have already heard of diamond painting, and that's where you have individual colors kind of along the lines of paint by number, except for with the diamond painting and the pearl painting, you have different materials and different colors that are either the little diamond gems in various colors, or in this case, pearls that are white, gold, and with the black background. And so I had never done the pearl one. I have done diamond paintings, and they are so much fun. They're so relaxing. This one took me 2 hours to finish, and I just did it while I was visiting with my son and my husband and everything, and it was just something to do for relaxation. I highly recommend everyone try pearl painting or diamond painting or even paint by number. And I do sell my pearl paintings, my diamond paintings, and my paint by numbers. So you can check me out on Facebook, Sherry Parrott, and I have a group called Vintage Jubilee, which is a Facebook group. You're welcome to join, and thank you for being on here to partake in the content that I am putting out. And it's just another day in the life of a reseller. I appreciate you watching. I have different things that I put on here, like what is selling, what I am selling, what we are sourcing, what we're buying, and how we are displaying it, and also other ways that I market and sell my items that I source, whether it's Facebook, LiveView, eBay, Marketplace, or my vintage booth at Happy Rock Antiques in Gladstone, Missouri at 72nd and North Oak, which I hope you'll drop by. We are in booth 58, 57, and 56A. Thank you so much for watching, and please be sure to like, comment. Let me know if you've ever done a pearl painting. You may have done a diamond painting or a paint by number, but I just wonder if you've ever done a pearl painting. So I appreciate your comments. I appreciate your time and you being on the channel. Thank you very much. Have a blessed evening.